make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. And you guys, I'm so excited to be doing Vlogmas. It's my first year doing it and we about to turn up, okay? So as you can see, my hair is looking kind of crazy right now. I'm actually about to go get it done. Y'all know I usually wear wigs, but I'm actually about to get a weave because I just don't have the time. I don't have the time or the patience to make a wig right now, so I'm just about to go get a weave. Couple things to do today, not too much, but I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Again, like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and let's get it. Y'all, tell me why I'm an hour late to my appointment. Like, I booked 3 different appointments. It canceled, rescheduled, and I guess I got the times mixed up because of all the freaking cancellations and reschedules, and I'm an hour late. And now she want to charge me $55 more. So I'm very irritated to say the least, but I'm glad she can still do my hair. So I'm about to go in there right now, and I hope it's cute. After all this BS, I hope it's cute. That's all I gotta say. Okay, you guys, I just got my hair done. I definitely do like it. Like, I'm happy. Thank you. Yes, I wanted something a little bit different, so I had her cut it.
Let me see. That was cute.
Thank you.
Get me out
She
your
getting
vlog.
slayed too, y'all. Shout out to Snooty for doing my hair. I'll make sure to tag her, so if y'all in the Houston area, hit her up. I'll put her name on the screen. So y'all, I've been waiting. I got my hair done and Nisha was in there getting her hair done, and I literally been waiting for about an hour for her. So I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. We about to go to Shell Shack and meet up with my friend Cora. I have not ate all day since like 11 o'clock, so I'm so ready to eat. So freaking ready to eat. Definitely think I'm cute. I need to get my angles right with my camera. So I'm here at Shell Shack with my friend. Yes, do not act like that running from the camera. It's a video, not a picture. So say hi, Cora. It's Cora. We're out for her birthday was last week. My kid's birthday is today. Happy birthday. And there's Nisha. You know what? Y'all stay on the ground all posting photos, but yet y'all running from the camera. I'm not understanding that. Can you please explain that? But y'all all be in the camera on Instagram. Whatever. Anyway, y'all, so we about to eat. I'll show y'all when it gets here. Oh, thank you. He is a waiter.
I try my best for y'all.
Yes, thank you. You want a tip? I feel it. I be working hard for my tip too. Yes, I'm about to dive in. Get ready to go out. So I'm about to get ready. Shell Shack was good, by the way. If you're in Houston, I would definitely recommend them. That's like the only place that I've been that I've had that type of food so far, like the whole crab boil thing. So it was good. I mean, I feel like I could probably go somewhere better. But I mean, I would still recommend it because, like I said, it's the only place I know like that out here right now. So. But yeah, I'm just about to let y'all watch me get ready because I don't really have much to talk about right now. We're just about to go out and see what the night is hitting for. About to get lit. Like I said, it's my Kia birthday, so we turning up. And yeah. can see this. My angle, I have my tripod. It's like another one, but I can only put my phone in there. So I'm gonna have to order one so I can put my camera on, like a small tripod. So I ordered some stuff from Fashion Nova. I'm debating if I want to give y'all a mini try-on haul during my Vlogmas, like, or you know what? I think I am. I'm just gonna do fuck it, forget it. I need to wash my mouth. I'm just about to do a try-on haul during my Vlogmas vlog, so you guys get 2-for-1 special. Y'all getting it all. I'm telling you. Getting it all. Vlogmas 2020 is lit. Yes. Come through, brow. I'm telling you, I can do a good brow now. I feel like I need to do an updated brow tutorial. Dog think that my bed is his bed. Why? I don't know. He then peed on it multiple times. Maybe that's why. Still haven't figured out why he wants to, every time he comes to our room, he wants to run on my bed. I'm not. And right now, I still don't have a bed frame, so my mattress is on the floor, so he can just easily, that's why I can't wait till I get my bed, because he ain't gonna even be able to get up there. But right now, it's just like, oh, hey. I just want to show y'all the full fit. Got the leather pants with the leather top, little fur jacket. I don't have a long mirror yet, so this is all you get. Full body pics though coming soon. Follow me on Instagram so you can see those pictures, because headed out. I will see y'all soon. Morning, YouTube. Or maybe I should say afternoon, because it's a little late. Not even gonna lie, I'm just now about to get up and start cleaning. Well, I did get up, but I've been doing homework. So I'm so ready to graduate, y'all. I graduate in a week. Like, actually 6 days. Like, for those of you that know, y'all know that my college career has been an uphill battle. From transferring schools to credits to not going full time, and to just, I did stop going, like just so many different things. So I'm so happy I finally completing my bachelor's degree, so shout out to me, you know. But oh yeah, so I'm going back home next week, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, but basically I'm about to start cleaning right now. Our house is a mess. We have a puppy, and he's potty training, so he does pretty good at pooping where he's supposed to, or peeing where he's supposed to, but he still has accidents sometimes. And even when he do pee or poop where he's supposed to, sometimes he be walking all in it, and it's just a mess. So that's all I gotta say about that one. But yeah, I'm about to start cleaning. We got our Saturday cleaning music on. Today's just a chill day. Get stuff done around the house. We're getting our TVs mounted and just, you know, get some stuff together. I still don't have a bed, y'all, so. And some people think this is an air mattress. It's not an air mattress, okay? It's an actual mattress. It's just on the floor, all right? Until I get a bed. Hopefully I get one for Christmas. Hoping somebody buys me a bed for Christmas. But yeah, so just about to clean up. Oh, we got a couch. I don't know if I told y'all. We got a couch. I'm so happy. Teddy outside. I know he's not really happy about that. Look, this is what I'm saying. Poop everywhere. Did he just do that poop right now, or is that a poop? Oh my gosh, Teddy. Girl, right here. Look at him. Yeah, I just Teddy. You don't want to be out there right now. Oh, Nisha over here scrubbing and working. Oh, Kia's cooking breakfast. This is a good Saturday, y'all. Saturday with my loves. Saturday with my loves. Yeah, so we about to just clean up, y'all, and I'll see you guys in a little bit, actually. Clean up and I'll come back. You guys, I put the lights. I ordered some backlights for our TVs, and I put them on. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm about to get my TV mounted, so all of our TVs are getting mounted right now. Stuff is coming together, and look, it really wasn't long enough to fit around my whole TV, but I think it still lights the back good enough, so. But he's about to mount it right here on this wall. So happy, stuff is coming together, and I can change the colors and everything. Look, you guys. My TV in the living room is up. So the strip wasn't long enough to come all the way to the bottom, so I'm a little sad about that, but whatever. And I can change the color of these with my phone. I have it in my room too. I'm not gonna turn it on, but my TV's mounted. I'm so happy. Oh. So we just about to have like a chill little night, made some drinks, and just about to relax and watch a movie. So say hi, son. Teddy getting so big. That's what I'm saying. If he knew how to just chill, it's like he do. You gotta whoop him until he, seriously. I'm actually making dinner. I decided to cook tonight because I'm tired of spending money, and we got all this food that needs to be cooked. So I'm making some chicken enchiladas, some guacamole, rice, beans. I'm about to hook it up, so once I'm done, I'll let y'all see. But it's about to be fire. That's all I gotta say. I got my drink in my cup. It's about to be a good night. Okay, y'all, I'm hooking it up. I'm not even gonna lie, I got the Spanish rice going, the enchiladas in here. Let me give y'all a little peek. So the goodness going. And then I'm gonna make some refried beans up here, so that's next. Okay, so I want to show you guys the finished product. I have some salad. I need a new tripod. Here's the enchiladas. These are chicken enchiladas. Looking so good. And I made one cheese one for my friend because she doesn't eat meat. And then I have some Spanish rice and the refried beans. I'm about to go in. Good morning, you guys. I'm on my way to work, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and then I'll start my part 2 of my Vlogmas. So you guys make sure you stay tuned to that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.